Welcome to my channel. In this video, I guide you to register for a Ficom account, and I advise you never to register an account without watching this video tutorial. There are many important notes in the account registration process. Let's get started now. To register and activate a Ficom account, you need a MetaMask wallet. Note that the required wallet in the wallet must have more than 0.02 BNB. 0.02 BNB to activate the account, and the resulting fee is about 50 cents. Step 1. You log into the MetaMask wallet application on your phone. Select the three dashes on the left corner of the screen and select the browser. You click on the search section below and type ficom.io. After the Ficom homepage interface appears as shown on the screen, you choose to enter Ficom BSC. Note if your wallet is on the Binance Smart Chain network, you keep it and continue. In case your wallet is on the ETH network and not with the Binance Smart Chain, you need to install the Binance Smart Chain network as follows. First, select the three dashes in the left corner of the screen and select Settings. Next, you choose to go to Networks. If you already have Binance Smart Chain in the settings, you can click Select. If you do not have one, click Add Network to add the Binance Smart Chain network to the wallet. Fill in all the information exactly as shown. This information I will put under the video description so you can copy it easily. After adding the network, you go back to the home page of MetaMask, select the word wallet on the top and select the network Binance Smart Chain. Next, return to the original Ficom.io interface and click on Ficom BSC. Then continue to press Ficom BSC one more time. Then click on MetaMask. The next step is to click Register in Ficom.io. This point is very important to note. My referral ID is 1505. There are special cases where it will show ID as number 1. You need to remove the number 1 and fill it as number 1505, then press Register. Absolutely do not register under ID 1. Because ID 1 is the ID of the system, and this ID has reached the top level. If you register under ID 1, you will not receive system overflow earnings from Upline. As well as in the long run your income will be a lot less than registering under one ID of a normal user. Here I recommend you to register under my ID 1505, then join my Telegram group to help you make the best money. After you have deleted the number 1 and entered the number 1505, click Register. The system will ask you to pay 0.02 BNB to activate the account, plus transaction fee. Click Confirm to complete the transaction. Then wait for Ficom to confirm the transaction as shown. If the waiting time is too long, you can click on the wallet to see if the money has been deducted. If your wallet has been deducted, you have successfully registered an account. You just need to press the three dots in the bottom right corner and select Reload to reload the page. You do not click Register anymore but choose Automatic Login. Note that only when you leave the correct wallet account, Ficom can automatically log in. After successfully logging in, you can explore and experience more of Ficom's homepage through the select icons on Ficom's toolbar. And finally, you join our group for better support and can ask questions for the things you are wondering. We will discuss together to have a strong community about making money online. All the necessary links for my friend are in the description of the video. You can see more useful videos there. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.